You are now tuned in to the Haitian Jonas Show.
You watching HaitianJonas.com. App is out. You can get it. Haitian Jonas on your Android and Apple. I'm with the infamous Mr. P. Prodigy.
Right.
It's an honor to be with you today. We haven't heard from you. It's been a decade, you know. What is Prodigy, or what is Mobb D is all about, and Prodigy, what is Prodigy is all about?
Yeah, right now, I just dropped the album called Albert Einstein. You know, Alchemist produced the whole album. I'm independent, it's on my own label. You know what I mean? I own and operate the label. I got distribution through Sony. The label's called Infamous. So that's the latest project I just put out. You know, I did a little 3 years in jail. When I first came home, I put out H&IC Part 3. So this is my follow-up, you know, solo album. I also just dropped a book called H&IC that's out right now. You know, it's my second book. The first one is called, you know, The Autobiography of Prodigy, you know, from Mobb Deep. And yeah, I got the book in print. I got the label going right now. You know, it's just a slow grind. You know, independent. Wow.
Nice. I know, like you say you've been in jail for the past 3 years. What young people should learn from you today, like as a brand new Prodigy?
You do the crime, you gonna do the time, homie. Straight like that. If you get caught, your ass is going to jail, boy. Yeah. That's what you gonna learn. You know what I'm saying? You could look at my situation, be like, damn, P did that, and he got locked up, and learn from that. You know what I'm saying?
So today you came up with your album is about to be dropped, and where people can get your album, your iTunes, where can they get it?
I'm on iTunes, you know, Amazon.com, like, you know, whatever country you in, wherever you at, go to your Amazon in your country, and, you know, the Amazon dot whatever, UK dot whatever, CO, you know what I mean? iTunes, all that. You can go to the store and get it. It's there.
What's the message about your new music,
The message is about just, you know, sticking to what I do, sticking to my formula, what made me, you know, successful. You know what I mean? And that's it, man. Just keeping it going. And also, it's just I want the people to see my independence, like, you know, see me building this label on my own, see me building my book imprint on my own. You know what I'm saying? My publishing imprint, and you know, the movies, the books, the music, like, you know, just the different things that I like to do, that I'm into. That's what they're gonna learn from.
I know you came with your book and then the album. There are a lot of young people, they don't know how to maintain that. Yeah. How can they maintain to be in your position? Because today is hustling. They're hustling hard on the street. Right. How can they maintain? The higher person who's on top doesn't get a penny, like all the pennies.
Yeah, I mean, you just got to be smart about it, man. You know what I mean? Have a good lawyer, you know, that you're in communication with and you can learn from. You know, and just learn from other people's mistakes, learn from people's success, and you gotta take it from there, man. You know what I mean? If you're good with it, if you really got some type of talent, if you got something that's worth something, it could work for you. You know, just keep pushing at it. Word.
It is an honor. I'm very flattered to be here, to be here talking to you, because when I was younger, I used to watch you. I was in Haiti. I didn't even think I was coming to America to see you and Biggie back in the days. Pop, all these, you know, all these chaos used to happen in music. I remember, like, I'm gonna play next for the people to remember these kind of songs. I remember you played. It was the Dre beat that dropped.
Out of control.
50. It's gonna be next.
That was on the Blood Money album. 50,
yeah. People, I'm just saying, I'm with the master. I'm with the master here. Shout out to all hands on deck. Wyclef, Jean, and all the crews.
Yeah. Shout out to Clef. What up? You know what I mean? Shout out to my nigga Troy Ave on the other side.
Yep.
Big Africa Black and White Entertainment.
Africa's in the building. So we want to say, Africa, come here. If you don't know Africa, this is Africa.
That's the man right there.
He's the man. He represent everything.
You already know, man.
This is my
brother right there. My dude. I love this nigga.
That's my contact, okay? Don't steal him from me. Yeah. So, Prodigy, thank you, man. It is a pleasure. And by talking to you, interviewing you, make me the best now.
Thank you.
I'm gonna be honest with you. You have to be grateful to say. I have to be grateful to say that. So I'm with the best right now. I should feel the best. So Boston, you watching Prodigy? Big shout out.
Boston, what up, kid? The most infamous Dawn, infamous Mobb, Deep, H&IC.
You are now tuned in to the Haitian Jonas Show.